Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box to show you and it's by Lookfantastic and it's their Russian doll beauty box and this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful design, really pretty. But look at this, look what it does. This is brilliant. It opens up into 6 compartments. I just showed my daughter just now because I only received it about half an hour ago and she's like, oh, can I have it? And I'm like, no, no, it's going to be mine. So Lookfantastic have recently released this special edition Russian doll beauty box. It's available to purchase on their website now. It costs £75 and has a value of over £224. If you subscribe to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box subscription, then that will entitle you to have £10 off this box, and there's a code that I'll pop down in the description that you can use at checkout if you're interested in getting this box for yourself. So all links related to this box and the codes, plus I've been given a 10% off code which is only for 48 hours from 12 AM Sunday until the end of the day on Monday, and that is code GeekLF10. I'll pop that down below as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and all codes and everything, and links to this beauty box will be listed down there. So inside contains 6 beauty products and I've had a quick look, just a quick sneak peek, and oh my gosh, there's some amazing things in there. So I was recently contacted a couple of days ago from Lookfantastic asking if I'd be interested in receiving this box in exchange for unboxing it on my channel to show you, to tell you all about it. But I had seen it on their website but I hadn't looked at it in detail of the products that you would get inside. So yeah, really exciting. So let's open this back up again and let's choose an item. In the first box then, this is just like an advent calendar unboxing. They should do this for future advent calendars, I think. So this is what the boxes look like. So you've got the beauty products in there, you've got some worms, and you've got a little card there, and it tells you all about the products inside. So we've got 2 products here in the first box, and these are by Paula's Choice. So we've got a Paula's Choice Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer with wild cherry and flaxseed, and this is 60 mils, and this is the part of the defense range for all skin types. So there's that. Then we've got a Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant salicylic acid for all skin types, and this is 30 mils. This looks like there. Prepare skin for the day with this nourishing night cream blended with 8 superfood derived antioxidants to repair and strengthen skin whilst you sleep. Achieve flawless skin with this leave-on exfoliating fluid. Targeting both the skin surface and deep down redness and blemishes are addressed and reduced, leaving skin renewed and radiant. And then on the back, it's got it in a different language, which I can't read. So, so that's the first item there. Next, we've got a makeup product. This is Illamasqua. What have we got here? We've got a cream blush, and this is full size. And what does it say? What colour are we? Zygomatic. That's what it looks like there. Gorgeous colour. Really lovely colour. I love the packaging of Illamasqua. Very smart. So there. So that's what it looks like there. Very nice. Let's try a bit on my hand. Oh, that's nice. It's nice and subtle. Really nice. I prefer these type of ones so you can build up the colour than applying just a big lump. I find cream blushes and cream bronzers, you only need a tiny bit, because if you put too much on, you can make quite a bit of a mess on your face. I find I can get more control with powders, but when it comes to creams, I think, you know, I try to opt for like quite a subtle look so I can build up. And yeah, look. That is super subtle. So a really nice colour. That there, I can build up a little bit there. So that's lovely. That was really nice. So what's it say? Brighten up your makeup with this creamy textured multi-use blush that can be used to liven up your complexion or contour. Easy to blend, this natural colour lends cheeks a healthy flush. Apply in light swirling motions on the cheeks, moving outwards onto the face for a subtle colour. So there's that one. Next you've got a product by Dr. Dennis Gross, I think that is, Gross or Gross. And this is a, turn it around. This is a Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. And it says, you have dark circles, puffiness, dry fine lines. You want hydrated, dewy, youthful looking eyes. Yes. This is 15 mils. This is the outer packaging looks like. I'm really excited to give this a go. Really excited. But wow, look at the colour on this. How cool is that? You only need a tiny bit, so this size is massive actually. It's going to last quite a while. Yellow, a yellow cream there. No smell as such, so what's it say? Correct and perfect the delicate under eye area with its refreshing and hydrating formula. With a soothing gel formula, this hyaluronic acid-rich formula delivers intense nourishment to the eye area, providing hydration for up to 72 hours. Use morning and evening, gently tapping the gel into the eye area. Look how pretty those cards are. Really, really pretty, aren't they? Box number 4, and we've got a This Works Deep Sleep pillow spray. Just find the card there. And this is full size one. I've never ever had a full size one. I have had so many little tiny ones, you know, like perfume type sprays, the little small ones. I've had them, but I've never ever had a full size one. So this is what it looks like. And it's 75 mils. This is lovely, really, really nice. Just spray it onto your pillow or your bed sheets before you go to bed at night, and it's lavender and chamomile, I believe. Am I right here? Yeah, it's supposed to relax you and send you off into a nice deep sleep. Get the best night's sleep with this award-winning pillow spray containing a natural aromatherapeutic super blend of lavender, vetiver and chamomile. This fragrance calms both mind and body to soothe you to sleep. Lightly spritz the spray over pillows and bedding to help improve quality of sleep. So there's that. Box number 5. I'm excited for this. Woo! Again, it's a full size product I've never had. I've had loads of mini ones, but never a full size. It's Emma Hardie, and it's a Moringa cleansing balm. And what size are we? 50 grams. So what it looks like. This is brilliant. I absolutely love this. It just melts onto your skin. I'll show you now what it looks like. I just get the tiny little ones in subscription boxes, or even samples. You can get tiny little ones, and it's lovely. It's really lovely. So you can see it's a balm. And, you know, use a hot cloth, which they've also provided. And it's professional cleansing cloth, dual action for professional clean. So you get given a cloth as well. So it's a nice thick face cloth. So warm this up first and then put it on your face like that. Leave it on there for a little while and then just wipe it off and rinse, and wipe it off and rinse, and your face is left feeling super, well, my face is left feeling super smooth and all the makeup is gone. I really love this stuff, really love it. So I'm chuffed that I've got a big size because it does last a while. So it says here, enriched with antioxidant moringa seed extract, wild sea fennel and vitamin E, this nourishing balm balances, hydrates and purifies. Experience a rejuvenating cleanse as this balm removes eye and face makeup while decongesting pores. Warm a small amount between fingertips, apply to the face, neck and eye area and massage into the skin. Remove with warm water. So there's that. And our last box, we've got a ESPA product. Optimal Skin Pro Serum. Intense nourishment for radiant skin. This is 30 mils. After cleansing and toning, warm a few drops into the palms and cup hands over face to inhale the aroma. Gently smooth over face, neck and décolletage until fully absorbed. To intensify results, follow with Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. Oh wow, okay, so it's a serum to strengthen skin's natural moisture barrier and help even skin tone, while enhancing elasticity to help minimise the early signs of aging, suitable for all skin types. Oh, it's almost like fruity and sweet, like sweets, but with like an aromatherapy sort of spa smell to it as well. That's really nice. So does it say any extra information here? Etchium oil and sunflower concentrate replenish, ceramides and omega oils. White lupins help smooth and firm, while turmeric brightens for beautifully radiant skin. Apply morning and evening, gently smoothing over the face, neck and décolletage, what I've just read. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to show you one by one. Plus I realised I only gave you the value of the very first box, so I'll tell you the value of each item as we go along. So the first item, as we just saw, is the ESPA, and this is the Optimal Pro Skin Serum, and this is worth £51. Then we got the Moringa Cleansing Bar by Emma Hardie. This is worth £30, and we've got the Facial Cloth by Emma Hardie, which is worth £6. Hyaluronic Marine High Gel, and that is worth £58. Then we got a This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and that is worth £20. £20. Then we got 2 items in the same box. Paula's Choice Nightly Moisturizer, which is worth £27. Then we got the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant, which is worth £9. Some really lovely items, and what I like about it is the fact that, as you could probably tell as I went throughout this video, there's a lot of items that I've had before but I've never had full size items of, so I'm really happy to receive them. So thank you to Look Fantastic for sending it out to me. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think it's a beautiful box? Do you think it's good value for money? Do you think it would make a good gift, or is it something that you would buy for yourself, or is it something that you think, nah, it's not for you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. All links and everything, as I said, are listed down in description. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.